Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Mode Gaming. I'm Hunter, and this is going to be Alchemy Factory, Episode 3. The original footage for this episode got corrupt. So we're going to start from here. Hope you guys enjoy. So, in editing, I realized I didn't like how I was making videos. So I think I'm going to do a lot more cutting and do episodes based off of one project, not the whole shop. Maybe I'll do some selling in there, or restocking, or purchasing. But I think going forward, I'm going to do episodes based off one project. For today, I would like to make this system more compact. I'm going to start off by deleting everything and see if I can't make it in like in the size of a table, maybe. We'll see how it works. Alright, I think I may have fixed how loud that noise was. I didn't realize you could just click and drag. So I wanna try to move this closer to the corner or to the door, maybe over here, so then I can just come out and go in. I might make it difficult for the layout in the future, but I think it'll be okay. I'm going like this. That way it deletes the track up to that point and doesn't delete it all the way in. So one of these puts out 25. So I probably just leave that there with some in it to keep some rope going. I don't have an idea necessarily of what to do, but I might be able to figure something out. So these put out 25 a minute. Conveyor belts. Remember where that's at. Oh, there's 90 a minute. 90 a minute. This takes 25, so 75 right there. So 3 is about the max that we can do. So we'll do. Now, how about we start from the back? This guy right here. This guy right here. Is going to be the person that makes the potions. I did that wrong. I was right the first time. So this will make the potions. With that, you can see that we need 75 sage and 75 flax per minute. They get 75 flax per minute. We need 3 of these. Because they both all will put out. To get sage, we should be able to go in here and test it, and that puts up to 75 a minute as well. So we need 3 of each. I want to try to make this compact so it's just right here, all one area, not spread out. So I was thinking, what if Maybe I didn't unlock it. Yeah, I hadn't unlocked it. What if we use a conveyor lift? I don't need a hopper yet. We might get into this here in a minute. Go ahead and unlock those. So what if we do a conveyor lift up to a little platform? I need nails. Alright, this is working out well. We'll start by putting wood in here. We'll rotate that around so it takes off half the nails. Should come down to bars. And we'll just sit here and wait for a few minutes. I'll cut back in when I have everything needed. Alright, welcome back. I got a couple nails, I didn't wait too long. I want to see... Of course, now I need wood. Now I need wood. Probably need to restock these soon. That'll be fine for now. I want to see if this is even feasible. Get rid of those. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Maybe not. So what I'm thinking is if we do that, with a conveyor belt down. Did that the wrong way. We will put that on 6 for now. So, oh, well, still not it. Struggling today. Struggling. Want like that. Oh, that was correct. Now we do the same thing on this side. Once I get nails. Should about two. Should about two. Just doesn't end. I really need to get one of those. I should buy one of those. I think I could set it up here and I could just purchase wherever I needed. Maybe I'll try that next. But, anyways, that should be producing nails again. Guess I can go with this as well. Well, that's making nails. What do we need? Might as well check this since we're here. Nope, no band-aids. Can't do that yet. Might as well just go ahead and close that. So, nails. We got the sigil now, so we can buy this. We put that there and put that in front of it. I should be able to just come in here and buy whatever. And, yeah. I don't have to run all the way to the shop. I don't think this is meant to be used like this. I think it's meant to be used, say, you put one behind each one of these, and then put money in it, or just keep them stocked. But for the purpose of what I'm doing, that should work. Come back to the original plan. Nope, you don't go there. That was weird. I didn't want to do that. So now I can have an input there, 8, an input there, before I was so rudely interrupted. We have an input on both sides now. Which should be simple enough. I should be able to just take a box. We'll do a large box. I'm starting to like these. Do another large box. Throw that in there. Come over here. Throw that in there. That's already set to a health potion. 8 comes out. My whole plan to doing this yep, it's working. Is I'm hoping will this fit? My plan was to try to make this too tall, or too high. Sure, there's probably a way. Just don't know if I have it unlocked yet. A quick block? So I don't think you can suspend blocks. Right, like, you go like this and delete that, deletes it all. This is too wide, and I don't think there's anything that expands that gap. Yeah, I'm not certain yet. But for this will do. I'm gonna just run this back over here like that. We run that like that. We got nails. The other thing I wanted to do in this episode is get this running off of charcoal and not wood. I think there's a way to make this the way I want it in the future. So we might actually be able to push it back one. This might actually work. Let's just change this out. Of course, more nails. It's always nails. It's always something. Zero. We need to go. I'm sure there's better ways to do than this, but I don't want to look up a tutorial. I just kind of figure it out myself. Figuring it out is half the fun sometimes. So, now if we do 3 more like that, yes, more wood. No. Take all of it. Since we're not coming back down on this side, we'll have our input on this side and just have it backwards. Yes, I have to switch these out. I could have just moved the box over one. I'm just going to do that. That's why it's the same on both sides. I want to do its own separate line, so each side is 90 per minute. So if I understand this correctly, if I did one line and I branched it off, it'd be 90 per minute, and then would split down to 45 per minute on both sides. I want to keep it 90 a minute because these need 75 a minute. And then I should be able to put that guy there. I don't want that going off the end. That like that. Then we will do that. See if I can get it in there. Now we have a 2-layer setup. Guess I didn't need these. We have a 2-layer setup. It's actually quite compact. And it should be able to put out a lot of potions as long as I can farm enough to supply it. We bring in the plot. This guy. I'm gonna go get some seeds. I'm gonna plant my farm, and I might just keep this one short and simple. I'll end this video and do another one on a farm setup. once again, this was Easy Mode Gaming, and this is Hunter. Hope you have a fun holiday.